What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to show you how to solve this trigonometric equation, which is 2 cosine squared theta minus 7 cosine theta plus 3 equals to 0. I'm going to use factoring method by AC method. 2 times 3 is going to be 6, and here we have negative 7. So we're looking for two numbers, multiply to positive 6 and add to negative 7. So we have negative 6 and negative 1. When you multiply it, it's going to be positive 6, and when you add them, it's going to be negative 7. So then I can rewrite this quadratic equation: 2 cosine squared theta minus 6 cosine theta minus cosine theta plus 3 equals to 0. Then you factor it like that: 2 cosine squared theta minus 6 cosine theta. You factor 2 cosine theta minus 3, and here when you factor, it's going to be cosine theta minus 3 equals to 0. Then you factor cosine theta minus 3, and here you have 2 cosine theta minus 1 equals to 0. You have two cases now. Case 1 when cosine theta equals to 3, coming from here, and the other one, case 2, when 2 cosine minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore it makes it cosine theta equals to 1 over 2. We had it many times before. Cosine theta equals to 3. As you know, cosine and sine functions are changing from negative 1 to positive 1. So there is no way we have cosine theta equals to 3, because it cannot go above positive 1 or lower than negative 1. So there is no solution for the first case. For the second case, cosine theta is 1 over 2. So theta must be, one answer is going to be pi over 3. And the second answer, we need to use the cast rule. Quadrant 1 and quadrant 4 is where cosine is positive. It's going to be like that. That's pi over 3. Pi over 3. So one answer is pi over 3 as I wrote here. And the other one is going to be 2 pi minus pi over 3, which is going to be pi over 3. And this one is going to be 5 pi over 3. So these are the two answers. If you want to write it in terms of degrees, it's going to be 60 degrees and 300 degrees. So the two answers in terms of radian and degrees. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please leave me a comment and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave related playlist in the description. In case you need extra help, you can take a look to the description part. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.